Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. In today's digital world, making money online has never been easier or more accessible. Whether you need extra cash to pay bills, save for a vacation, or start a new career, the internet offers countless opportunities to earn quickly. Here are the best ways to make money online fast, with actionable steps to get started immediately. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Here are the fastest ways to make money online. 1. Freelancing. Sell your skills for instant cash. Freelancing is a work arrangement where individuals offer their skills or services on a self-employed basis, rather than being tied to a single employer. Freelancers typically work on a project-by-project or contract basis, allowing them to choose their clients, set their own schedules, and manage their workload independently. Common industries for freelancing include writing, graphic design, web development, consulting, and photography, among many others. Freelancing is one of the quickest ways to earn money online by offering your skills in writing, graphic design, video editing, programming, or virtual assistants. Some of the best platforms to start freelancing are Fiverr, create a gig and offer services starting at $5. Upwork, apply for freelance jobs in your expertise. Freelancer, bid on projects that match your skills. The earning potential of freelancing can be $10 to $100 plus per hour, depending on your skill level and experience. 2. Online surveys and market research. Here's how it works. Taking online surveys typically involves participating in questionnaires designed to gather feedback or opinions on a variety of topics, such as products, services, or social trends. Companies pay for your opinions on products and services through surveys and market research. Some of the best platforms for taking online surveys are Swagbucks, earn points for surveys, watching videos, and shopping. Inbox Dollars, get paid for surveys, games, and reading emails. Survey Junkie, high-paying surveys with quick payouts. The earning potential for doing online surveys can be $5 to $50 per day. 3. Dropshipping. Start an e-commerce business with no inventory. Dropshipping is a business model where retailers sell products online without stocking them physically. Instead, when a customer places an order, the retailer transfers the order details to a supplier or manufacturer, who handles the packaging and shipping directly to the customer. This allows the retailer to avoid inventory costs and storage issues, making it a low-risk way to start an e-commerce business. Some of the best platforms to start dropshipping are Shopify, set up an e-commerce store in minutes. AliExpress, source trending products to sell. Spocket, find US and EU suppliers for faster shipping. The earning potential of dropshipping can be $500 to $10,000 plus per month. 4. Affiliate marketing, earn commissions for promoting products. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where businesses reward individuals or companies, known as affiliates, for driving traffic or sales to their products or services. Affiliates promote a business's offerings through unique affiliate links, earning a commission for each sale or action generated through their referrals. This strategy benefits both parties. Businesses expand their reach, and affiliates can earn income by sharing products they believe in. It's a win-win in the digital marketing world. Some of the best affiliate platforms are Amazon Associates, earn up to 10% commission on products sold. ClickBank, high-paying digital product commissions. ShareASale, thousands of brands with affiliate programs. The earning potential of affiliate marketing can be $100 to $5,000 plus per month. 5. Selling digital products or printables. Selling digital products refers to the process of creating, marketing, and distributing intangible goods or services online. These products exist in digital format and are typically delivered electronically without any physical component. Examples include ebooks, online courses, software, apps, graphic designs, music files, stock photos, templates, and more. The advantages of selling digital products often include low overhead costs, scalability, and the ability to reach a global audience. Once a product is created, it can be sold repeatedly without the need for additional production, making it a popular choice for entrepreneurs. Some of the best platforms for selling digital products are Etsy, sell printables like planners, stickers, and worksheets. Gumroad, sell digital products like courses and music. Teachable, create and sell online courses. The earning potential of selling digital products can be $200 to $5,000 plus per month. 6. YouTube and TikTok, make money through content creation. Making money through content creation involves producing and sharing engaging material across various platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, blogs, or podcasts, with the goal of generating income. Content can range from videos, articles, artwork, photography, music, tutorials, or reviews, anything that resonates with a specific audience. Create videos on trending topics and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Here's how to start. Choose a niche, for example, tech reviews, travel, fitness. Create engaging content and optimize with search engine optimization. Join YouTube Partner Program or TikTok Creator Fund. The earning potential of content creation can be $100 to $10,000 plus per month. 7. Online tutoring or coaching. Being an online tutor means providing educational support and guidance to students remotely, using digital platforms. It involves helping learners improve their understanding of specific subjects or skills, offering explanations, answering questions, and providing practice exercises. Online tutors often customize their teaching methods to suit each student's needs and learning style, aiming to make lessons engaging and effective. Communication typically occurs through video calls, messaging apps, or dedicated tutoring platforms. Some of the best platforms for online tutoring are VipeKid, teach English to students in China. Chegg Tutors, offer tutoring in various subjects. Coach.me, provide life or business coaching. The earning potential of online tutoring can be $15 to $100 per hour. 8. Flipping items on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Amazon. Flipping items to make money refers to the practice of buying products at a lower price and then selling them at a higher price to earn a profit. It often involves finding undervalued or discounted items, such as at thrift stores, garage sales, auctions, or online marketplaces, and reselling them in places where demand is higher or buyers are willing to pay more. People flip a wide range of items, including furniture, electronics, clothing, collectibles, and even cars. Success in flipping typically depends on spotting good deals, knowing the market value of items, and effectively marketing or improving the items to make them more appealing to buyers. Some of the best platforms to sell flipped items are eBay, great for collectibles and electronics. Facebook Marketplace, local sales with no fees. Amazon FBA, let Amazon handle shipping and fulfillment. The earning potential of flipping items can be $500 to $5,000 plus per month. 9. Stock photography and selling videos. Selling stock photography and videos involves creating or capturing visual content, like photos or video clips, and licensing them for use by individuals, businesses, or organizations. These visuals are typically uploaded to stock marketplaces, such as Shutterstock or Adobe Stock, where buyers can browse and purchase them for their own projects, including websites, advertisements, social media, presentations, and more. Sellers earn money through royalties or one-time payments when their images or videos are downloaded or purchased. The goal for creators is to produce high-quality, versatile, and visually appealing content that meets the demand for specific themes, styles, or industries. Popular topics often include lifestyle, business, nature, technology, and abstract concepts. Many photographers and videographers enjoy it because it allows them to monetize their artistic talents and turn their passion into income. Some of the best platforms for selling stock photography and videos are Shutterstock, earn royalties on images sold. Adobe Stock, high payouts for professional content. Pond5, great for selling video clips. The earning potential of selling stock photography and videos can be $100 to $2,000 plus per month. 10. Remote customer service or virtual assistant jobs. A remote customer service job involves assisting customers from a distance, typically via digital communication channels such as email, live chat, phone calls, or video conferencing. Professionals in these roles handle inquiries, provide solutions to problems, and offer support or guidance regarding products, services, or policies, all from the comfort of their home or another location outside of a traditional office. This type of job requires excellent communication skills, a customer-focused mindset, and proficiency with technology or software tools commonly used in the role. It may also involve tasks such as processing orders, handling complaints, or conducting follow-ups to ensure customer satisfaction. Remote customer service positions are popular due to their flexibility and convenience, making them a great option for individuals who value work-life balance or prefer working independently. Some of the best platforms for remote customer service are LiveOps, remote customer service gigs; Zirtual, virtual assistant jobs; FlexJobs, verified remote job listings. The earning potential of remote customer service jobs can be $15 to $50 per hour. There you have it. The fastest ways to make money online. Making money online fast requires effort, but if you choose the right method and take action, you can start earning within days. Whether freelancing, dropshipping, or affiliate marketing, there's a way for everyone to make money online. The key is to start today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And be sure to click the notification bell to receive updates on exciting new ways to make money fast online.